Good morning students. Today we are going to discussing some important points from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. Let's start.
Let's discuss some previous questions from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. First question, find the mass of 10 moles of CO2. Here the mass of 1 mole of CO2 is equal to 12 plus 32, that is 44 U. So the mass of 10 moles is equal to 10 into 44 is equal to 440 U. Second question, convert 12 gram of oxygen, that is O2, into moles. 1 mole of oxygen is 32 grams. So 12 gram of oxygen will be 12 by 32. So answer will be 0.375 mole. Here we using division. The third question, name a non-metal which is tetraatomic. We already studied phosphorus is a non-metal which is tetraatomic. It exists as a molecule and it's tetraatomic. Next question, name the cation and anion which constitute the molecule magnesium oxide. The answer will be the formula of magnesium oxide MgO. The cation and anion which is constitute the molecule are Mg2 plus and O2 minus. Mg2 plus and O2 minus will be the cation and anion of MgO. Calculate the formula mass of Al2SO4 thrice. Here the chemical formula Al2SO4 thrice. So 2 into atomic mass of aluminium plus 3 into atomic mass of sulfur plus 12 into atomic mass of oxygen. So 2 into 27 plus 3 into 32 plus 12 into 16. Here 342 U is the answer. Next question, what do you understand by 1 AMU? 1 AMU is the 1 by 12th of the mass of one atom of carbon taken as 12. 1 by 12 is equal to 1 AMU. Next question, an element has valency 3. Write the formula of oxide. The valency of oxygen is 2 while that of element is 3. Formula oxide E2O3. So E2O3, E3 plus O2 minus. When we crisscross, the answer will be E2O3. The next question, how are given mass, molar mass, number of moles related to each other? The number of moles equal to mass by molar mass. This is related to each other. What do you understand by word mole? The mole denotes Avogadro number of particles, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This may be electron, proton, neutron, atom, ion, etc. The next question, write the chemical name of AgBr. That is, the answer will be silver bromide. Write the chemical formula of calcium carbonate. We know the chemical formula. We know the symbol of calcium, that is Ca, and carbonate CO3. So the chemical formula will be CaCO3. Next question, what is the atomicity of an element? Give 2 examples. The atomicity of an element is the number of atoms present in the one molecule of the element. Atomicity of oxygen 2, atomicity of ozone O3. Here not oxygen, ozone O3. The atomicity will be 3. The next question, write the formula and the names of ions formed by the combination of NH4 plus and CO2 minus. Here NH4 twice CO3. The compound will be ammonium carbonate. The compound will be ammonium carbonate. Next question. Calculate the molecular mass of CH3COH. It's a acid CH3COH. Here hydrogen, molecular mass of CH3COH 2 into atomic mass of carbon plus 2 into atomic mass of oxygen and 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen. The answer will be 60U. What are the chemical reaction according to the law of conservation of mass? According to the law of conservation of mass, the chemical reaction involves only the exchange of partners in the reactant from to the product. That's why there is no change in mass. So, all students write these questions in your notebook. It's very important questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me.
So, we discussed some important questions, points from the chapter Atoms and Molecules. All should write the important points in your notebook. Thank you.